As we know, it's been freezing in New York. Today I want to make a soup. Inspo for the soup is like an Italian wedding soup. I want a lot of veggies. I got these cannelli beans. So let's see. I wanted to get like ground Italian sausage, but they didn't have any, so I got these chicken meatballs. Everything. And I also have this, so we're gonna use that. Store did not have celery, so I got bok choy. These are softer, so I can put them in like a little bit after. I'm gonna add 2 packets of chicken. Oh, I think she's done, so we're gonna add, or like the orzo's cooked, so I'm gonna re-add this. She looks, honestly, really good. Really hot. I forgot like the best part. Basically got this to have with this. Why did it burn like immediately? It was not even in there for the full like toast, and I started smelling it burning, but whatever. You know Little House on the Prairie? The long winter. That's how I feel.